I had SoFi stock rated as a buy all year long. That is until September 24th, when I downgraded the stock to a hold, and my reasoning was that the valuation had gotten too rich and the macroeconomy was facing headwinds. And that appears to be a prescient recommendation update because SoFi stock is down over 10% in the previous 5 trading days. So what you're looking at here is my discounted cash flow valuation for SoFi stock. This is one of the inputs that's informed my decision making for SoFi stock. And it's one of the inputs that led me to identify SoFi as an undervalued stock to buy to begin 2025. And the share price has soared this year, but it's down 10% in the previous 5 trading days. The market price is now $25.12. And as you can see, my intrinsic value per share calculation for SoFi stock has the business worth around $19.20. So even after this share price pullback of roughly 10%, the stock still looks overvalued based on my discounted cash flow valuation model, even after the 10% pullback, and even after I apply a margin of safety to account for the uncertainty regarding this valuation estimate and assumptions I'm utilizing to make this stock price intrinsic value calculation. Furthermore, the US economy is slowing down considerably. Recent reports on unemployment and the jobs numbers suggest that fewer employers are adding jobs, which is something I expected would happen ever since President Donald Trump instituted those tariffs and started talking about tariffs and increasing trade barriers earlier this year. That's created a lot of uncertainty among small businesses and bigger businesses, which have had to deal with a lot of not only are they dealing with the increase in cost of importing goods, but they're also dealing with all of the uncertainty, the increase in tariff, then the decrease, then the pause, then the increase again, then the threats, then this, then that. So it's a lot of change. And so what businesses have started doing is just pausing any big decision, just saying, you know what, we don't have enough information to make these kinds of decisions, so we're just going to punt. We're just going to send it down the road a little bit and see if we can wait before we make this decision. They're taking safer routes to all decisions, reducing orders for inventory, reducing the number of people they hire, reducing any kind of new plans, pushing out any new product launches, and etc. Click the link below to watch the full video.